Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be reviewing this fragrance from the house of Nike is none other than Nike Up or Down. So stay tuned. Just a disclaimer guys, this fragrance was given to me by Case Corner Branded Items. Very generous of them, and they even included this thank you message right here. Right there. It says, "You're the greatest. Thank you for sharing with us your expertise regarding perfumes by Case Corner Branded Items." And a big thank you right here. So thank you so much, Case Corner Branded Items. And guys, do us a favor. Make sure to check out her Facebook fragrance page. I'll put the link down below. Make sure to check out her Facebook fragrance page. She has many fragrances for sale which are very much affordable. So guys, make sure to check out Case Corner Branded Items. I'll put her link down below. Make sure to check her out. So this Nike Up or Down, I can't find any information regarding the year of release and the perfumer of this fragrance, but all I can find is the note breakdown of this Nike Up or Down from their website. So for the notes of Nike Up or Down, we have the following. On the top, we have Artemisia, Calamansi, Salvia sclarea, and ginger root. For the middle, we have Muscadione, Everlasting flower, Cardamom, and Tiare flower. And for the base, we have Amber, Vetiver, Cedar leaves, and Palisander wood. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Nike Up or Down, we have here the tester bottle, a 75ml tester bottle of this Nike Up or Down, and it costs about 550 pesos, roughly about 10 to 12 US dollars. So very much affordable fragrance, and you can buy it from Case Corner Branded Items. So in front we can see here Nike tester Up or Down for man right here. Nothing at the back, and at the bottom we can see here the batch code right here, which should match the batch code under the box. And it comes with this improvised plastic cap right here. And for the sprayer, spray something like this. It sprays a big amount of fine mist. And that's for the presentation of Nike Up or Down. For the opening of Nike Up or Down, guys, wow. This fragrance opens up with that very fresh, fruity, floral clean vibe, and I was immediately reminded of these two fragrances. Nautica Voyage, without that very dominant cucumber vibe, and this one, Dioram Sport 2017. It's like you mixed both of these fragrances and the result is Nike Up or Down. I really love how refreshing this fragrance smells. It's like you add lots of florals into it and you mix ginger and it becomes this very good smelling scent. It has lots of florals into it and the ginger adds freshness to this fragrance. What I can imagine myself wearing this fragrance is that I go into this laundry shop and you get that blast of very fresh, clean vibe. That's how I can imagine myself wearing this Nike Up or Down. A very floral, fresh, clean vibe, very refreshing, comforting, relaxing scent. For the middle part of this fragrance, I've sprayed Nike Up or Down about an hour ago, here on my right hand. And yes, nothing much going on in this fragrance. What you get from the initial spray, you'll still get it at the middle part of this Nike Up or Down. You'll still appreciate that very fresh, fruity, floral, clean vibe, which really smells refreshing, guys. Really refreshing, really relaxing, comforting scent. And for the dry down, yes, that fruity floral vibe are already gone, and we are now left with this very fresh, clean vibe for the dry down of this Nike Up or Down. So for the development of this Nike Up or Down, it opens up with this very fresh, fruity, floral, clean vibe, and that stays the same up to the middle part of this fragrance, and at the dry down, it dries down into this fresh, clean vibe. A very refreshing, very clean, very relaxing, comforting scent. Now who should wear this fragrance? Any age group can wear this fragrance. Young kids? Of course, definitely guys. The young kids can definitely wear this fragrance. Perfect for the young kids. High school, elementary, primary school, secondary school. Guys, this fragrance really is for them, for the young generation, but also the young adults and the grown-ups can definitely wear this fragrance as well. When should you wear this fragrance? anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. In short, it's a very versatile scent. But I can see this, you can definitely perfectly wear this fragrance in the summer season, well, where this fragrance will surely project. Guys, very versatile scent. This fragrance is perfect for the Philippine climate because just look at the weather, guys. It's really hot here in the Philippines, and this fragrance, Nike Up or Down, is perfect for these types of weather, for these types of climate, where it is really hot, guys. This fragrance will surely project, and it will release that blast of clean, fresh vibe, which not only you will enjoy, but also those people around you. They will surely enjoy smelling this fragrance on you. And how many sprays should you wear this fragrance? Well, it's really up to you guys, but for me, it's about 3 to 5 sprays. You can definitely overspray this fragrance. This Nike Up or Down is not cloying. It's not that cloying, and you will definitely not offend anyone around you. So, you can go liberal with the sprays of this Nike Up or Down, about 3 to 5 sprays. 2 behind the ears, 1 behind the neck, and 2 on the chest or shoulders. And that's it. You're good to go. Let's go now and rate this Nike Up or Down. Now for the scent, I'll give this one an 8 out of 10 because I like the smell of this fragrance. That very fresh, fruity, floral, clean vibe really smells good, guys. It's a very relaxing, comforting scent. Well, it's not groundbreaking. Like, I will give it a 7 out of 10 for the uniqueness because, like what I mentioned a while ago, it somehow resembles these two fragrances right here, Nautica Voyage without the cucumber note, and this one, Dior Sport 2017. You mix these two fragrances and you have here Nike Up or Down. So it's really not groundbreaking, but it really smells good. For the projection of this fragrance, I will give it a 6 out of 10 because it projects only for about an hour on my skin. For the performance, I will give this one as well a 6 out of 10 because it lasted on my skin for about 3 to 5 hours in a good day, 2 to 3 hours if not. And for the sillage, I'll give this one, well, a 6 out of 10 as well because it doesn't leave much of a scent trail. It's more of a skin scent. And for the versatility, I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. Guys, it's a very versatile scent. You can wear this fragrance anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. It's a very, very versatile scent. So for my overall rating of Nike Up or Down, I will give this one a 7 out of 10. The final question is Nike Up or Down prescription worthy? Definitely yes. Guys, if you're looking for a very fresh, clean, very versatile scent without breaking the bank, or if you're in a budget, well, this fragrance is the one for you. Why? Because, guys, I can't emphasize it enough. It's a very, very fresh, very clean scent which really smells good, and it's not expensive. Guys, 10 to 12 US dollars, 550 pesos, and you get this big bottle right here, 75 milliliter Nike Up or Down. Guys, what can you ask for more? This fragrance is really affordable and it smells really good, and it's a very versatile scent, so you can wear this fragrance anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. The only downside of this fragrance is the longevity and the projection and the sillage as well. You can get about an hour of projection of this fragrance and about 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 5 hours in a good day in this fragrance. That's the only downside of this fragrance, so you will just have to bring a small decant, or you can bring this bottle because this one is a very sturdy bottle, a very thick bottle, so you can bring this fragrance. But if it's too much of a hassle, you can just bring a small decant and you can just respray all throughout the day. So that's basically the pros and cons of this fragrance. You get this very good smelling scent in a very affordable price, but the performance, sillage, projection are terrible. So you just have to weigh the pros and cons of this fragrance. But then again, this fragrance house, Nike, really have good scents, really good fragrances. In fact, I already bought this fragrance, Nike the Perfume Man Intense, which is a good alternative to La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. And I already bought a backup bottle right here. Very affordable scents, guys, so you can really buy multiple backup bottles of their fragrance lineup. So guys, that's basically it. Very good smelling scent by the house of Nike, Nike Up or Down. A a very prescription-worthy scent for me. You heard my review? Now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Nike up or down? Do you have this bottle? Or do you also have Nautica Voyage and the Dior Sport 2017? What other Nike fragrances do you have in your collection? Which one is your favorite? Again, put your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX, and hit the notification bell down below. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!